How to fix Microsoft Store not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So first of all, try signing in and signing out of your Microsoft account. But if you have already done that, then second option is restarting your laptop. And there are other fixes that you can do through your settings. I will show you some. Let's dive right in. Open up your settings and then go to System. Now you can scroll down, you can go to Troubleshoot, and then you can go to other troubleshooters, and then here you can like uh, troubleshoot by running your network and internet, because sometimes it might be your internet issue as well. You can run Windows Update. You can directly go to Windows Update on the left hand side and then check for updates, because sometimes outdated Windows can also cause this issue. Then you can go to apps, go to installed apps, and then you need to search for Microsoft Store. If you don't find it, then you can also search for Microsoft Store. Go to System Components. There you find Microsoft Store. You can tap on it, go to Advanced Options, and then scroll down, and then you can hit Repair. So if the system component isn't working right, then Windows will try to repair it for you. And next, what you can do is you can tap on Windows R and then type WS reset, hit OK, and then something like this will open up, and then it will clear the cache on your Microsoft Store and then open it for you. So I hope one of the solution helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.